Hello everyone, this is Ikra Shahid. I'm working at TMUC as a digital marketing specialist. Today we are recording a podcast with Zile Huma, who is an LSE, London School of Economics graduate, and she is here to share some of the very interesting stories and inspirations from her journey. Welcome Zile Huma.
Thank you for having me here, Ikra, and I'm really excited.
It's a pleasure to having you. Let's talk about something about your degree and what sets you on this path.
So I was a different person since childhood.
Yeah.
I always wanted to do something special. I opted for O-levels when it was not even known in my family. I was the first person to go for it. And then I had my A-levels, and then I was more interested to go to Oxford. I was all set to go to Oxford, but unfortunately due to my health, I wasn't able to go there.
Okay.
And then I found about TMUC that there is this place in Pakistan where you are getting foreign degrees and you're studying that very curriculum in that very manner. So I was very excited and interested. I came here, and my interest to change the world through lawmaking, and I was always interested. I have to make laws. I have to change how things are perceived in this country, and I can do that by being in the policy sector. So I opted for politics and IR degree. It was really interesting to know that what global politics is. I was enjoying my journey throughout my degree. It was interesting. I was knowing more about the world, and with LSE curriculum you get this support from University of London, from LSE, that is readily accessible to you through your VLE, and then your staff is already trained.
Is it
from LSE.
you are reading the curriculum of LSE?
Yeah,
London School of
London School of Economics, and then we are giving exams on that very LSE pattern. And then our teachers, they are some of them are LSE graduate actually, they have done their masters from there.
From UK.
From UK.
Okay.
Yeah, so they were always helpful. They were guiding us that how can we expect things to be there for us.
Okay.
It was really interesting.
So, talking about the teachers, who was really your special and favorite teacher?
This undoubtedly every student will say Sir Hassan Raza. So he was our go-to person. Whenever we had any trouble, we used to go to him, and he was more of a mentor other than a teacher. He was always there for us, and he was guiding us through everything.
And if you get a teacher like that, आपकी जिंदगी set हो जाती है.
Exactly.
Like one person can change your life.
If I have interest in philosophy, and he'll be like, okay, le aao mere paas, I'll guide you through.
Okay.
If I have to go for my career counseling, he'll guide me through. And then other teachers were like this too. I had to go to my ma'am Abir. She was my development teacher. So I had to go to her, and I was asking her कि ma'am मुझे इस तरह से masters करना है, and guide me through that. And she was always there. If I were interested in internships, and she was guiding me through. And now whenever I go somewhere and I show them my CV, and they're like, what? Wow, like you have done so much of your work by being a student. Like these were all the guidance that you can't get at any other university in Pakistan. So and a very important milestone in my journey was that my final year was about to start, and my coordinator was like, you should apply for this fellowship. And it was like there was no Pakistani ever selected for that in the history.
What was that fellowship?
It was Center of Online and Distance Education Fellowship, and they choose 5 or 6 students from all over the world. And I was the only and the first Pakistani to get selected for that.
It is the summer program, or what is it?
It's a fellowship where you do research, and then you contribute to a research paper, and then they publish it. It is published by London School of Economics, and your name is written there with the team. So it's such an honor, and it wasn't possible without TMUC and my coordinator and all the staff that was helping me through. I learned research skills and everything.
So what was your research topic?
It was on transnational education on China and between China and UK. It was really interesting, and we went a mile ahead and presented it at the conference, RIDE conference. It's a very famous education conference.
Nice.
That happens in UK every year.
Okay, so TMUC means TMUC has given you an opportunity to go to UK, and the conference was in UK,
right? Conference was in UK.
No,
I presented it online because I had my exams ahead, but like I had all my stuff ready to go, but due to my exams I wasn't able to go. Like I presented it online.
So, how is the professional life is treating you after graduating from TMUC, like what's the work that is now you're doing? What is the day look like to you?
So it's been a year since I graduated, and when I think back, and it's like the time passed really fast. After graduation, immediately I went to National Assembly. I worked as research associate with them, and it was really interesting. I mean, the moment you tell them that you are a LSE graduate, all the difference starts from there. You get to see your potential. First of all, your own potential, that you are writing differently from every other person out there. You're doing stuff in a broad manner. You're doing research in a deeper manner, and you're like, I know something, मुझे आता है सब कुछ. And then you see people and you're like, wow, I'm glad I chose this. I chose this path for myself.
And you know, it make a really difference when you take a name of your university and this name is really big.
Exactly.
And it makes a real difference.
It does. And when even I tell them that I did it from TMUC, and they're like, oh wow. And then you get a total different treatment from every other person in the room.
Exactly.
You're like, you're prioritized over everyone else. Everyone knows Sir Faisal Mushtaq, and they know how good of a person he is. And then they actually help you through. They will expect more professionalism from you. They will expect that you're groomed. So TMUC is this ecosystem that provides you with that environment that helps you professionally a lot. And in my professional journey, I worked with different research firms. I worked with National Assembly. I worked with UNICEF, and I worked with different areas.
You're currently doing on the projects of different.
I appeared for CSS exams.
Nice.
And all of my friends, they were like struggling, like from my school fellows, they were struggling with CS, and they were like, we're not able to get it and grasp it. So I was like, it's not that difficult. I only spent like a month. So if I am expecting that I will be getting good scores, so if I get good results, that will be an effort of 30 days only, as compared to my friends who have been studying for years and years, because I got all that knowledge, all that wisdom, all that application of knowledge within my degree. And now I am going for my master's to LSE, and I got accepted into one of the most competitive degree of LSE, development management. So it was because I was already an LSE graduate.
And you got the opportunity to be there.
And I got the opportunity to be there so easily.
It just makes you from there to there. It's level up your game.
It certainly does. It is very interesting that when I see and I tell my friends that I got LSE, they were like, you accepted into LSE? You got accepted into LSE? And I'm like, yeah. So they're like, we can't even think we are going to get into the easiest program. So there is this difference that this LSE tag does make. It makes a lot of difference when you're going internationally. Wherever in the world you go, this name has a prestige. This prestige will be with you wherever you are in the world. I recently went to this alumni dinner in Karachi, and then I saw that TMUC का एक अलग नाम है वहाँ पे. TMUC has this prestige कि you tell people and they are like really interested to talk to you more about TMUC. They will be like, this ecosystem is more of a professional and more of an environment that provides you with the best grooming ever.
And whenever I tell people that TMUC is doing this, they are really amazed to know कि एक ऐसी यूनिवर्सिटी भी है जो कि लंदन की डिग्रीज यहाँ पे ऑफर कर रही है, and we all are getting to study the curriculum that is people are going to London and studying there.
Exactly. So, it's the same very curriculum. For development management, when I am going to go for my master's, so the curriculum that I will be studying there, it is the same curriculum I have already studied in my bachelor's. It is that same subject that I studied here that I'll be going to expand on my knowledge. All the other students that will be in my class, if they are not actual LSE graduates, and if they are not from LSE, they will find it difficult. And since I have this LSE degree, it will make all the difference there also. So it's going to help me grow professionally ahead of my journey as well.
Listening to you is really making me feel so special that I work in such a place where students are getting benefited so much.
Yeah, in fact, recently when last year there was this alumni event and I came here and I was talking to Sir Faisal and he was talking about you are getting jobs or anything or not, and I was telling him कि sir मुझे इस तरह से एक offer आई है job की and they're offering me 4 lakhs plus pay, and he was like wow, like and I was like I'm not going for it because I want something better than that. He was like no, he was really impressed कि yeah, you're doing great. He know the potential of his students, and when he tell us कि यार तुम लोगों को मैं job के लिए नहीं groom कर रहा, I am grooming you कि you get out, you go out and you
And be an entrepreneur.
Yeah, you be an
so Fais's motive is to get the students to be an entrepreneur.
Yeah, and I see so many people. When they come here, they're totally different, and when they leave, they're totally different.
Yeah.
Their confidence is boosted till here.
Yeah.
They don't see themselves as like naive random students searching for jobs. They already know what they're going to do with your life, with their lives.
They're clear.
They're very clear.
Yeah.
So clarity in life is very important, and TMUC does offer that.
That's so good to hear. Okay, we'll talk about something that is life at TMUC, and tell me, how was your journey at TMUC, and how was your life at TMUC? Any story, any funny story that you remember of being here?
There are so many stories, and since I was sort of a person who was always more interested in books and work,
Okay.
so I did have quite a lot of fun. And I just a while ago I was talking to a friend of mine, and I was saying I don't have any regrets. I had the best time of my life at this university. I used to hang out with my friends, so it was like Wednesdays. So we had this 2-hour slot during on Wednesdays that we had planned. We'll go out on this Wednesday and we'll go there, and it's the entire week we kept planning during our year one that we'll go on to Wednesday or to that place and to this place and to this place. So this Wednesday comes, and then we are leaving university, and then our teacher tells we have your class here, like you have to attend your class. And then we were like, no, we have this plan and we are leaving.
Who were your friends?
With my friends, and we were all class fellows. We were class fellows like all of us.
Okay.
So, it was a small class. So,
Do you have a very best friend in here, or you can name?
Like, yeah, we were close friends or entire class. I can't take name of everyone in the class, so we were leaving, and our teacher was like, no, you are supposed to take class. So we made a group, and we went to McDonald's with our teacher.
Okay,
and she was like,
nice.
we'll study here. And we had our lunch, and she was telling us, this is what Marxism is, and this is what liberalism is, and this is what capitalism is. So she was teaching us on burgers. So that was like a really interesting lecture. So we can't forget that. Na? So it was an interesting lecture that, ma'am, we were here for our lunch, and then you were teaching us that this is what capitalism is, this is what Marxism is. We don't want to know, but the way she guided us, it was interesting.
But that is what you will remember always.
Yeah, always.
And
like I
all the
couldn't have
moments.
remembered Marxism or liberalism in any other
But that
way.
is the moment that you remember.
That is the moment I remember with my class. I mean, you don't get those moments anywhere else. And then some of my friends, they are in UK. Some of them are doing very good in their lives. Some of them are going for masters, and some of them are working. Like all of my class, none of them is like searching for job right now. They all are doing very good, mashallah. So I feel like we have achieved a lot by being here in these 3 years.
That's
Professionally,
good. Yeah.
emotionally, and in our being, we have become a better person.
Okay, thank you so much, Huma, for coming here and for making some time out. It's really great talking to you. We'll be coming back with another video. Stay tuned.